Hey everyone, I expect everyone is going fine. I'm here to show a little application I'm building right now with Jam.py. First of all, apologizes for all the language being Brazilian Portuguese, but this is my mother tongue language, and I want to show the basic functionality of this point of sale system. So I have a search for product name and product code like paper. It lists all the things that have the word paper in the name. I can add one or add multiple like this. I can decrease it to remove. I can increase it here, or I can put a serial barcode number, and it will add automatically the code and refresh the list if that's the case. Also, I can pay. So here there's the credit card 0600. I can pay with register a debit card. I can pay. So now I have an outstanding balance. Oops. So let's put 500. And let's say there's a discount of 49. So that is it's just a prototype for now, but in some days it will be ready and it will be production ready with stock management and some other minor things.